welcome to all of you in Harendra classes of computer. Today we are going to learn about how to find out a square first 5 natural number. So continue with this video. Thank you. Welcome to all of you in your YouTube channel Harendra Classes of Computer. Today we are going to learn about how to find out the square first 5 natural numbers in Python. So let's start with Python. So come on to the computer window. So here first of all we will open Python. So there is IDLE Python. You just click onto that. Now it is open and showing like this. Okay, so if you need to create a new file, you just go to the new file, and here onto the descriptive mode you can write this particular program. So if you need to write a comment, you need to use hash, and here you can write which kind of program it is. So right now I am going to write natural number. Okay, so that is the comment line. After that you just press enter button and you just change line. Then here you will write for I in range bracket 1,6 and colon. Okay, for I in range 1,6, then it will start from 1 and it will go to 4. So first 5 natural number, just you have to increase 1. So you will write 1 to 6. Then you will write print double quote I into I, not in double quote, you just press I into I. Okay, and close the brackets. Now you will save your program and you just keep it onto the desktop. Select the desktop and you just write the file name sq, whatever you want to keep the file name .py, and press F5 button. Now you can see 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. That is the square of this first 5 natural number. So that is the easy program, you can understand well. I think you are understanding it properly. So if you have a laptop and desktop, you just practice it. Okay, we will discuss another program in another YouTube video. Thank you for watching this video.